I'm into your account here, pulling up that website, and I do see that database connection error when I try to look at it.
Yes, exactly. Okay, hold on one second. Can you hold on one second?
Absolutely, I'm right here.
Okay, this is Sherry again, and I'm going to show you a little bit about my day. I'm on tech support with a very good web hosting company, and this isn't live, so don't worry, ma'am. And I'm going to talk with her about my database and my email account. So anyway, I'm going to talk with her, and I probably won't be talking to the webcam. I'm just recording it not because of you, but just a little, tutorial.
Sure, absolutely.
Just to let you know.
Absolutely. And all right, now have we made any changes to this website? Let me check in your file manager as well.
One of the problems is all of my domains now are like double domains. Like I have advometrics/advometrics. I have sansapient/sansapient. And nobody wants to go to a website that has two names repeated, I've seen this in other types of hijacked accounts, like a cable company might have an instance of one state being stated twice before the at whatever.com or .net. Because I'm having a problem with recurring advertising on one of my accounts for several years.
Advertisement to the website itself, or are you talking email?
Someone's advertising on my website, and it's not you. It's a bunch of
crap.
Is that
on Advometrics as well?
Huh?
Is that on Advometrics as well?
The one that they seem to target is the advometrics.com, and it's a bunch of crapware that I would never advertise. One of them might even be like dates, getting a date or something.
Oh, geez. Oh, that's definitely nothing we want associated with your account.
And parental control and all. Yeah, it's just really weird. Like I would never partner with any of those.
Now I see, let's look at that Advometrics. I'm looking in your file manager just for a minute, and it looks like all of your sites are WordPress.
They are, but I'm not going to keep them that way. As soon as I can get the databases fixed, I'm probably going to do at least one of them in just an HTML, CSS type of thing.
Gotcha. So just coding, just
do
it that way. Honestly,
get rid of the PHP.
Tend to be more secure. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. Those PHPs are just falling apart.
And it's because the more content that gets put on them, the more plugins you use, the different themes, any of those third-party elements. Yep. It's just less secure, and it can change things. And wow, I've seen people download plugins, and it just messes up their entire site. So
yeah, and now some of them.
I love WordPress, but I don't.
Some of them are coming with pre-installed plugins that I just got rid of right away. So yeah, I'm ready to ditch. I'm ready to ditch the WordPress installations because I've just had really super bad luck with them.
Yeah,
I enjoy the programming aspect of it, the back end part, but I think I'm going to go straight HTML because a lot of people are going to that. I think getting rid of the, the extra servers.
It's weird because they're either going, they're going back to the HTML, or they're going an even crazier way. They're doing like the drag and drop, so they have absolutely no tech knowledge, and they say, "Oh, look, I made a website. I'm totally a web designer now. Look at me." Okay, do you know what you just did?
Yeah, exactly. The Wix and all that kind of stuff. I mean, I guess it's fine if you just want to put something out there, but I like a little more control.
Oh, for sure. For sure. And I am looking at, usually when we see these database connection errors, first thing I do, I go into the file manager and I'm checking out one specific file, and it's that wp-config.php. So I'm taking a peek at that and making sure everything matches up here.
Great. And then hopefully we can set my directory straight, because I don't want those double, you know, domains on there. I mean, that's crazy. It's like, okay, where's the first domain?
Now, when you say you see double domains, where are you seeing that? Because when I go to your site, it's just straight advometrics.com. WordPress tools, same thing.
You can get there on advometrics.com.
I can get to WordPress tools on the Bluehost side.
Let me see. Error. I've still got the database error, so.
And then let me actually see. I'm going to see if I can kind of look in the back door. Oh, I don't see any users attached to advometrics.com. So there's no way for me to take a peek, like at that dashboard, to see if I could kind of peer in. That I don't see.
Nothing, absolutely nothing you say will surprise me. Okay, here we go.
It's an issue for you before? Have you had this particular issue with this particular site, the database? Has it been spotty for you?
Oh, on occasion, and I have another problem with the email. Okay, so now I'm at sansapient.org, but it's sansapient.org sansapi, which is my directory, and then the WordPress-admin. And it looks like it's stuck on WordPress.com. I can't explain why, but it looks like the interface looks like a WordPress.com site. So I'm hoping we can redo that whole directory.
Let's check it. Yeah, because I'm seeing now when I try to go to sansapient.org, I'm seeing that same database error.
Now I'm not. I'm able to get in the back into the dashboard and to view the site.
Really interesting. Let me, you know what I'm going to do? Even though I have never been to the website before, I'm going to do a clearing of my cache. I'm going to just do a hot clear. Let's see what we've got here. And I can always just...
And there's another problem you might want to know about. It appears that my Sherry Jennings at advometrics.com email is being used as an actual server with Squirrel Mail, which I don't think you really support anymore.
We offer it. There's not a whole lot of, I wouldn't call it support. You know, we can kind of walk you through issues with it.
Well, I found a log where my Squirrel Mail is basically running through my entire computer. And I don't use Squirrel Mail. I use a Roundcube.
Yeah, I was going to say, I'm looking at your email accounts, the ones that Bluehost recognizes. I only see one, and that's the Sherry Jennings at advometrics.com.
Me too, but it shows that there are two on the site.
Oh, on the site itself.
Well, somebody may have thought, you know, because you were in Utah, that you were all Mormons and they could just steal part of your company. That's what I'm thinking. It's a prejudice. What?
That's not okay.
No, it's a prejudice.
That's crazy. And let me check a couple other things. So it's that Sherry Jennings at sansapient.org. So that's, even though we deleted it, it's somehow still showing up in places and it's getting used.
Yeah, Sansapient's coming up just fine. I can get to the dashboard. I can get to the front page. And yeah, so I'm not really sure even, I mean, this is like an Active Directory or a domain thing where it looks like they've snatched a little bit of Bluehost and just, you know, taken it and just put it in their stuff. And it may be related to that Squirrel Mail thing, because I have the log on that. And I mean, it goes through your Windows little clip tool, and it's just a very invasive. The squirrel mail, I mean, I would read it to you, but it's like 3 pages long how it does. And then I got ransomware.
Oh,
I
gee.
neutralized some ransomware on my computer the other night too.
Yikes. Oh, so there's a lot going on. All right. Yeah, and I looked at your website. I tried to look at it again, the sansapient.org. That I tried to look at even through a proxy tool.
Yeah.
And it's still coming up as an error for me. So there's definitely something going on here. Let's see what's up. Why they're both giving you that particular error here. And I do see both. Okay, look at the config for that as well. I'm going to check those out and get into that database. So this one is DB name
E3C.
E3C.
E3, I think, is a gaming thing on you. What?
I am not seeing, unless there are some like subs here. Because I see DB name O4C and OVA.
VA. Well, I'll be darned.
And now I see, so I see what should be Sansavy, DB name 51D. Oh, that's super odd. None of those are right. That's why we're getting database errors, because the config files are wrong.
And I'm getting database errors on my end trying to put in the SSMS server 2017 or even server 2012 Microsoft. I cannot get, and my update database is corrupt. I have Windows 10.
On the Microsoft side?
Yep. Well, it's not their fault. I think they're working pretty hard to fix it.
Yeah.
I've paid literally thousands of dollars over the years on this, and it continues to be used as if someone else owned it. And someone has hijacked my group policy on my Windows 10 Pro, and they have no idea what they're doing, and they are just gobbling up internet real estate like a virus.
Jeez. Oh, that's awful. Yeah, I wish I could help more with that side of things, but
I'd stay away from that one. I do.
All right, let's see here, and let me look at that other one. I'm just doing a little bit of, now I'm looking at a public search for you to see. Just want to make sure all of that information looks good too. That looks fine. And your DNS, I want to make sure that's all pointing correctly, and it is, which is good. It's just the databases themselves. Let's see. Now, have you ever gone into the databases like via PHPMyAdmin or anything like that, MySQL databases? Have you changed those recently? Because the config files they're reading just something totally different.
Oh, well, they shouldn't be, because I actually just deleted a database that was corrupt. That's all I did. And I used to keep WAMP on my computer, but I noticed that WAMP would take your database down if I was logged into WAMP when I got onto Bluehost.
Oh, that's no good.
And I would have to call in and have them fix it. So that's since 2009 or 2011. I have yet to be able to use this as starting a small business, because it seems that somebody else has taken that, investment that I've made and gone on their own path toward a type of a failed startup.
Jeez. Let's see here. So that database name 51D and DE3C.
D and DE3C and VA.
Yeah, this is so weird. Yeah, because I don't see those databases at all. So that's what your config files are pointing to. So I just want to. Is
there any way I can get a work ticket and have you call me back?
can. This is kind of tough. If we need to put it on pause and come back to it, I can leave notes on the file.
Oh, let's just do this then.
Looked at until now.
Okay.
And then when you call back, the agent will be able to.
No, I'll stay on the phone with you. Let me just log off of the video cam, okay?
Sure.
Okay. This is how terribly things are going. It appears that one of my databases has been named VA, as in Victor, A as in Apple, and the other one's D and something DE3. So it's not looking really great for me as trying to regain access to my own stuff. And the squirrel mail is a huge problem. So anyway, I'm out. Bye.